Hey guys, how are you doing? On this video I will be sharing with you 5 things that you can do on Canva that will make you money in 2023. Yes, Canva is a graphic design application where you can actually design amazing graphics that will make you money in 2023. If you are looking at making money in 2023, be it on the side or as a mainstream, then you want to consider learning some of these skills that I will be sharing using Canva. My number one take as it relates to making money with Canva is for you to create social media graphics. Yes, with social media graphics, you can target business owners, coaches, people that sells online, entrepreneurs, journalists, people that are looking at standing out using social media. You want to target them with your social media graphics design so that you can actually do same for them. So you want to learn how you can actually create social media graphics design and reach out to these people, telling them that you have this design and you would want to create that for them. They will definitely pay you money if you do this. Imagine creating a design for 5 people, in a day. That is you making at least 5,000 to 25,000 naira, because each of the designs you'll be making should not be less than 5,000 naira. So if you're able to master these skills, then you are on your way to making at least 25,000 naira every day in the year 2023. Another thing that you can do with Canva is to build a website. Yes guys, you can actually build a website on Canva. I and you both know that as a business owners that want to stand out on the social media platforms, you need a website or a landing page where you can direct people to actually go to learn about your business, to go to learn about your product, and also have them pay money on that site. Now, using Canva can actually get you started if you do not have money to go creating a website. Okay, so you can get started with using Canva to create a website or a landing page where you can direct people to and have them view about your product, learn about your product, the benefits, features, testimonials of people that have bought your product, and also you can ask them to pay immediately on that site. Canva to do using Canva is to create your ebook. Yes guys, amazingly you can actually create your ebooks, your book itself on Canva. Yes, the beautiful thing about it is that Canva has a free and a paid option, so you can get started with the free option if you don't have money to start the paid one, and later on you can go on to pay so that you can get better and other amazing templates that you can use. Canva is a platform with so much template that you can use to actually get started. So you don't need to start from scratch. You can actually get started using the template and start making money immediately doing all of this that I have shared with you. Another thing that you can do again with using Canva is to create ebook covers. So imagine reaching out to people that are authors, people that are intending to write books, and telling them that you can create an ebook cover or a book cover for them. What you want to do is go on to Canva and actually create this and give them whatever they need. Guess what guys, they can pay you 5,000 naira and above to actually do this. This is how you can actually make money in the year 2023 on a daily basis. Also, again, you want to create book covers, you want to create workbook, you want to create low content books. So when we talk about low content books, we are talking about workbooks, journals, planners. Okay, so there are some books that you can create that have no content at all. Okay, they are called the low content books. You know, like the exercise books that your kids and you used in school, right? So you want to create those books also using Canva. And when you create such books, you can actually publish it on Amazon and have people downloading and buying from you, even in the US, UK, whatever country that you would want people to buy from you. So you can actually create ebooks, you can create workbooks, you can create planners, you can create journals on Canva. Now the beautiful thing about it is you can create as many pages as you want. Yes, though Canva gives you 100 pages at once, but you can do 200 pages and actually merge it together to create 200-page book. So guys, you have no excuse not to be making money in the year 2023. Another thing that you can do on Canva is actually to help people to create their brand portfolio. Yes, you want to begin to help people create brand portfolio, like logos, like letterheads, like business cards, like receipts. All of these you can do using Canva. Canva happens to be an amazing application that you can get started with no money, and you will be on your way to making money right there immediately. Yes guys, these are things that you can start immediately today to start making money. All you have to do is learn how to do all of these skills and reach out to people that actually need any of these services that I have talked about, and you are on your way to making at least 25,000 naira in Nigeria or in whatever country that you are, depending on your currency. So this is how you can actually make money on Canva. Also, you can decide to create templates. So if you don't want to do it for people, you can actually create templates on how they can do it. So imagine creating a template on how to create graphic design, social media graphic design. So on that template, you want to create something like your name is going to be here, your logo is going to be here, your product picture is going to be here, and something like that. These are templates. So what they do is they download it and go on to edit it, put the specifics that you have created for them, and voila, they have their graphics already to be downloaded on Canva. All of this is something you can do using the free version of Canva. Again, like I said, with the paid version, you have a better chance of, more designs. So you want to get started now with this. Learn all of this, and you are on your way to making money every day in the year 2023. Now, if you do not know how to do all of these that I have talked about, then you want to check the description of this video, where I will be holding a design and in with Canva challenge. Okay, there we will be learning and practicing everything that I have talked about. So you want to click the link beneath this video and go sign up now. Okay, the WhatsApp number is also in the description. You can send me a message. Alright, so here is another video where I talked about how you can turn your Facebook profile into a salesman. You want to watch that video also, because 2023 is a month or a year for you to actually make more money. I will see you again, guys, on another video. If you found this valuable, you want to like this video, also share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, set the notification buttons on so that you can get notified whenever I put out a video. I will see you again, guys, on another video. Until then, ciao.